In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Deferit app to pay your bills in 4 interest-free installments. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be well equipped to manage your payments efficiently, so let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your web browser and head over to deferit.com. This is the starting point for setting up your bill payments and managing everything you'll need for the process. Once you're on the website, you'll see the option to log into your account. I'm going to assume you already have an account with Deferit, so go ahead and enter your email and password. If you don't yet have an account, you'll want to take a few moments to create one and then come back to this step. Now, after you've entered your login details, click that login button to continue. Smooth sailing so far, right? Once you're logged in, the next thing to do is to locate and click on the Bills tab. This tab will be your go-to spot for adding and managing your bills. It's a straightforward step but essential, as this is where the magic happens. So once inside the Bills section, you'll want to click on Upload Bill. This is an intuitive gesture allowing you to add the bill that you're aiming to split into manageable payments. Make sure you have your bill ready on your device before doing this so you can quickly upload the correct document. After you've uploaded the bill, it's now time to select the option to split bills in 4. This is essentially the core feature you're here to use, giving you the ability to divide your payment into 4 smaller, interest-free installments. This step is crucial as it sets up the payment plan you're going to follow. With your bill uploaded and your split option selected, it's time to finalize the process by clicking Submit.